Whai, wenu rai te kōka, e kuni, kāmi te mihi o te ngākau kia kite anō i a koe, e ora pai ana. Wenu, pehea te ngākau, tai mai koe i tēnei rā.
Tino ora, tino kaha, kare mamai, kare e tai, kare te takuta e kōrero, me takuta o koe i te tō moenga.
E pai tō āhia.
Koera te aho, e tika.
Koe no te kaupapa i te rānei. E whakanui i tētahi o tauira. Ne? A leaunu, mai rā nō. Kōrero tia mai. Pehea tēnei rā moi.
Hari koa na te whakarongo i aia e kōrero ana. Ka mau te wehi o te wahinera. Koe ona whakaro, koe ona mahi, kaha tona ngākau. He nui ngā pātai e wera watu ki tana karahe. Wera, mahi pai, te haere ki tērā. Lesson, pērā, iaia.
Ko te wero i te kāwanatanga, ko te wero i te krauna, ko te wero tonu i te whare Wananga nei. Kore mutu e nā wero ni?
Nā, kore. You want to keep going and she loves a sharp question. Give her more things to think about. I could see that, but I'm not even going to look at her because she can ask all the questions and I can answer them if I feel like it, and if I don't feel like, oh no, that's too hard. But no, she didn't. She was really, really good to, very koi, ona whakaro. Ea te tino pātai mō tēnei.
Now, Whare, Koka, you've seen the development of the likes of Leonie, Jenny Lee. How are you feeling about the future of Māori academia? Especially here at the Whare Wananga Wairaka.
Well, I don't think that, if I think across all the several groups of classes over the past 20 years that we've had, I don't think students have been ever challenged by the group of classes and several groupings of things that should be challenging to students to take them into. I haven't seen groups of students so bored as they are by the classes around several of many groups I've been into, and I haven't been looking for classes like that, and I'm sort of thinking, but I'm not going to go around and tell them that they're not being, they're not searching themselves for challenging tasks to put in front of students. But I can see, I think that how this Wananga, I think it's just brought in a class of people that keeping it all quiet to themselves and just want to get themselves surrounded by the groups that seem to have set themselves up in here since I was here about when were we here last when we came here?
Jenkins?
Yeah, Jenkins.
Professorial, I think.
Yeah.
So, what does it mean to be part of this, Leonie's inaugural professorial?
I think the students will be enjoying themselves, and they would be very wise to get themselves surrounding the tables right now, and don't walk away just to say, oh, it's too hard, this work is too hard. When you get it surrounding you, let it lock you in so that you can't. Because when you got it around you, keep it there as long as you can, because you don't want to. Sometimes your life gets too busy, and tough, and expensive. So they'll want to try to keep this crowd around them to get it done. Yeah, and stay engaged.
Tēnā ko ka kani te mihi anō kia koe, i nei pito ko.
Yeah.
Ora.